I gave you a question to work on under pH, and then the thing went off. Do you remember I gave you a question with pH of 2 of H2SO4 solution? Do you remember that?
Yes, Doc.
That's where we were. Were you able to come again?
Some of us were not seeing the screen again.
As for the screen there, it went off because the link, the light went off. So the question was, calculate the pH of a 2.0 molar H2SO4. That's the question. So, and then like we did the first one, the ACL, the first thing was to dissociate the acid and then balance it to find out the mole ratio of the H and the H2SO4. Have you done that one? Did you do that?
Yes, Doc.
So when you did it, what was the equation? And then the mole ratio. What was the mole ratio of the acid to the H ions?
Doc, please, it was 1:1.
It's not true. It's not true.
But
check it.
Okay, but that's what. But I think it's the histochemistry, the balancing, right?
1:2.
But so where from the 1:1? Please,
It's
others, are you there?
true. Yes, Doc.
What was the mole ratio of the acid to the hydrogen? Oh, please, let's stop because we've already speaking.
Hello, Doc.
When you dissociated the acid, what was the mole ratio of the acid to the hydrogen ion?
Doc, the acid is 1 and the hydrogen ion is 2.
Did you all get the same thing? 1:2?
Yes, Doc.
If you had 1:2,
1:2.
raise your hand and let me see you. Those who had 1:2, raise your hand. Okay, right. Okay. The rest, what did you get? Okay. Okay. You can thump up.
1:2.
1:2. Okay. 1:2. That is true. Okay. So if it's 1:2, now let's continue. If it's 1:2, it means that whatever molarity of the acid that you have, you multiply by 2, and that one will be the molarity of the hydrogen ion. Are you okay with that? Oh, please respond so that I know you are following. So if you get it, that means you multiply whatever you have for the acid by 2, and that gives you the molarity of the hydrogen ion. So you then put that one into the pH equation. pH equals to negative log of H ions, and the H ions is 4. So do that and let's see what you get. What did you get?
Doc, I got negative 0.60.
Yes, that is it. Yes, is there anybody who had a different thing? Did you get same or you had a same? If you had same, don't pop and let. Or you are not ready for the class.
Doc, please, we are very ready.
Doc,
We
we are ready.
We are here.
Yeah.
Doc, we are ready, please.
Yes, Doc.
Maxwell, did you get
Yes,
same?
Doc.
Okay.
Please,
Priscilla, did you get
unfortunately,
same?
I don't have calculator. Please, unfortunately, I don't have calculator here, and then I believe it's negative log 4. So, I believe I'll get the same answer.
What are you doing with your with your phone? Or you don't know you can
The
use
phone
the
is.
phone to calculate.
I'm using the phone for the lecture. So,
For the lesson. Okay, okay.
yes,
Right.
please, I'm using
So
the
that's
phone.
negative log 4. That is it. And the negative
Yes,
log
please.
4
Yes.
will give you negative 0.60. That is it.
60. Okay.
Okay. Uh, 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 so the next question I want to give you, take the next question, please.
Hello, Doc. Hello, Doc.
Please mute yourself. If you are not talking, mute yourself. If you are not on the floor, mute yourself and then let's continue. Now take this question.
Hello, Doc.
Yes.
Doc, I want to ask, what if the this in the moles of acid is, let's say, 3? So that one, how will I calculate it?
Come again, your question.
I'm saying that if the this in the moles of the this in the acid, let's say it is 3, and then the hydrogen ion is 2. So in this case,
No,
how
what
will I
question is
calculate
that? Your question is invalid. It doesn't exist.
it?
How do you tell me the mode of the acid is 3 and then that of hydrogen is 2? It doesn't. It's not valid. Because you get the mole of the hydrogen from the dissociation of the acid. So if you get from the dissociation acid, then there's no way you did get this, that, and then you get this one to different. So the acid will be given to you, then you have to dissociate it, balance it, find the mole ratio of the acid to the hydrogen from the associated acid. And that one will give you a value. And that value you multiply by the coefficient of the acid. So if the mole ratio is 1:5, mole ratio of the acid to the hydrogen is 1:5, and then the acid's molarity is known. That means you multiply the acid molarity by 5 to get that of the acid, to get that of the hydrogen ion, and you use the hydrogen ion value into your equation. Are you getting it?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
So let's take this last. Because in your examination, you may be asked to calculate the pH. That's why I'm taking my time to give you those things. So please, let's take this question again. Given that the pH, the molarity, given the molarity of a nitric acid given that the molarity of a nitric acid is 0.4 molar, calculate the pH of the hydrogen ion. Calculate the pH. Please take the calculate the pH of the of this acid. Calculate the pH of this acid. I'm taking it again. Given that the molarity of a nitric acid is 0.5 molar, calculate the pH of this acid.
Doc, please, approximately 0.40.
Where do you get the approximate? Okay. 0.40. Okay, that's good.
Doc.
Yes, 0.40. Yeah, is there any other person with a different thing? Is there any other person with a
Doc,
different thing?
yes,
Yeah.
but Shadrach should have allowed us to also work it out. He just brought the answer. So,
Please,
yeah,
that is it.
yeah, we wanted also to go through.
Okay, you do your
so
own. Do your
I
own.
don't even know how he did it.
Do your own, please. Do your own
Okay,
and then
okay.
come out. Do your own. Don't follow what he's saying because that is what he had. So do your own and tell us what you also had. My ladies, are you there? Just like others.
Oh yes, Doc. We are done.
And what do you get?
Yes, Doc. I had 0.397. So he
That is it.
approximated it to 0.40. So I
0.4.
understand. Thank you.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
Good. Uh-huh. So others who are still doing it. So no matter the value given to you of the pH, you will be able to calculate. And that is why we have. Sometimes you may be given the pH value of a solution and asked to calculate for the H ions. So that one too, we are going to do that. So we find the analog of that. So please get ready. We are going to do that one too. Are you ready for me?
Yes, we are.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. I'm coming in. I'm certain it. I'm giving you a question on that. Ready?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. The pH of a solution. The pH of a solution is the calculate the hydrogen ion concentration. Calculate the hydrogen ion concentration. Calculate the hydrogen ion concentration.
So please, Doc, the figure again. The pH of a solution is
2.87.
2.87. Thank you very much.
Doc, 0.00135 molar.
Means everybody will do that.
Yes, it's correct.
What is correct?
Ah, Doc, the answer you just
Yes.
gave.
No, he hasn't given answer. I didn't allow him to talk.
Oh,
I
okay,
told him to
okay.
keep it.
Then
I told him to keep quiet and
later
then
there's okay.
Yeah. Yes, Doc.
Oh, okay.
unless maybe
Thank
he
you.
told you personally. If he told you personally, then I don't have any problem.
Sir,
Because I
Okay,
didn't
Doc.
allow him to finish. Yeah.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
Okay. So let's wait for some few minutes. Okay, now let's listen to you. I think Priscilla, your answer. Let me hear your answer.
Okay, Doc. Yes, Doc.
Yeah.
So,
Let me
Doc,
hear your
please,
answer.
I found the antilog of the. Okay, yes, Doc. Please, Doc, can you hear me?
Yes, stop. Tell
Okay,
us
so please,
what you had.
I had 0.001348. So if I want to approximate it, I'll get 0.001.
In standard form, please do that in standard form. Do that in standard
Okay.
form, please.
So okay, Doc. 1, 2, 3. So 1.3 times 10 raise the power 1, 2, 3. Raise the power negative 3.
Are you done?
1.35. 1.35 times
Mm-hmm.
10 raise the power negative 3.
Negative 3 series or pesos.
sorry, Mola.
That is it.
Thank you.
Let's hear you. My people, let me also hear you. What did you get?
Doc, 1.4 times 10 to the power negative 3 molar.
Okay, it is 1.35 times 10 to the power negative 3 molar or mole per dmq. Okay, now take the next one because I want you to understand the concept very well. That's why I'm taking my time for you to go through it. You know, calculate the pH of an aqueous solution. Calculate the pH of aqueous solution. Calculate the pH of aqueous solution of 3.64 times 10 exponent negative 8 mole per dm cube hydrogen ions. Calculate the pH of aqueous solution of 3.64 times 10 to the power negative 8 mole per dm cube hydrogen ions. Are you okay with the question?
Dog is 3.64 times 10 raised the power.
Negative 8 molar of hydrogen ion.
Doc, hello, Doc.
Yes, let's give ourselves 1 minute so that others will also
I
do
didn't hear
something.
you. I didn't hear you say the question. I didn't get
You
it.
didn't do what? You
I
didn't
didn't
do
get
what,
the
please?
question. I didn't get the question.
Okay, those who had it, can you repeat it for us?
Okay, Doc. Calculate the pH of the aqueous solution of 3.64 times 10 to the power negative 8 molar of hydrogen ions.
Okay, thank you. My brother, are you okay with it? Right.
.4 work is not good at my side.
3.64 times 10 to the power negative 8. 3.64 times 10 to the power negative 8 molar or mole per DMQ.
Hello.
Yes.
I don't hear.
No, it's unfortunate. We can't be repeating it. It's your network, it's not coming from our end. So check it. It's your network. Yes. Now you can come out with your solution.
Hello, Doc.
Now let's. Yeah, Nyantechi.
Please, I got 7.44.
Okay. Let's see another person who is coming.
I also got 7.4. Okay, so.
Dog, I had a call. So, hello, Dog.
Yes, let's hear you.
Dog, I had a call. So I think I go to this where you mentioned 3.6.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, don't worry yourself. Yes, okay. Another person.
Doc, I got 7.4. Doc, 7.4. Doc. 7.4. 7.4.
7.4. Okay, Priscilla. Yes, Doc. Yes, they approximated it, so it's the same. 7.4388. So 7.44.
7.44 exactly. Yes, yeah. Let's hear another person. Who is that? Another person. Somebody's. Yeah, Frimpong.
Doc, I have 7.4388, so 7.44.
So you can't write all. So what do you write?
So you approximate it. So it is 7.4.
Who should approximate it? Tell us what you have said you approximate. Who should approximate?
No, I have 7.4388986.
So approximate it, please, to two decimal places.
7.44.
Hello, Doc.
7.4. Yes, Asante.
Yeah, please, I want to ask a question. Please, I also had 7.438. If you leave the answer like
two decimal places, is
it correct? Please. Or you still have to approximate?
Listen to me. When you are talking, you listen to the answer. I said 2 decimal places.
Okay.
Gloria.
Yeah.
Gloria, are you there?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's hear you. What did you also get?
I had 7.44.
And then Adams, last person. Adam.
Yeah.
That's him.
Hello, Doc.
Yes, let's hear you.
I didn't get the question.
Okay, then let's go on.
I didn't get the question.
Okay, please, we are going on. Now, in the laboratory, the pH of a solution is measured with
my
a
network
pH meter.
is not good.
If it's not good, don't worry yourself. In the laboratory.
No, if
please.
At the appropriate
time, brother, it's okay. Please tell him it's okay. Now we continue. Now we are going to the pOH. In the laboratory, the pH of a solution is measured with the pH meter. The pH of a body fluid varies greatly depending on location and their function. A low pH means high acidity of gastric juices facilitate digestion, whereas a higher pH of a blood is necessary for transport of oxygen. Although many pH meters have scales marked with values from 1 to 14, pH scale or pH values can, in fact, be less than 1 or greater than 14. When we're doing the calculation of the pH, do you remember we had 0.0, 0.5, 0.4, 0.2? Do you remember we had something like that?
Yeah, yes, Doc. Yeah.
Yes, Doc.
So it tells us that in reality, pH values can be less than 1 and greater than 14. That's one thing you have to have in mind. For the the literature that we read, we normally say that pH values or the pH scale or the pH meter, that one, the scale starts from 0 and ends at 14. Have you read that before?
Yes. Yeah.
But you know what we calculated, so that we had some values that were, it can even have negative. We had some negative values. Do you remember?
Yes, please.
Yes,
What
please.
were some of the negative values that we had?
Yes, Doc.
We had something like that.
Yeah.
Negative point 0.6. Negative
Yes.
things that we
And
had.
the negative 0.3.
Values. Negative 0.3. Good. So it tells us that pH values can be less than 1. It can also be greater than 14. So that is what you have to have in mind. Don't go by saying that it should be within 0 and then 14. It can go below that and above that. Okay. A pOH scale, analogous to the pH scale, can be devised using the negative logarithm of the hydroxide ion concentration of a solution. So you can also calculate the pOH as this, negative log of the concentration of the OH ions. So we can also do that. Take note of that. I think where we started, somebody now consider the ion product constant. So if you have, what is the ion product constant for water? We said it before the light went off. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it is KW
1.0 times 10 to the power negative
equal
14.
to concentration of hydrogen ion times concentration of hydroxide, and then equal to 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 14.
Okay. People are asking questions on your platform, and I don't know what is happening. People are saying that is it true we are having chemistry lectures today? Some are saying I don't think so. Somebody is even saying all of a sudden the only thing you hear is lectures at the time without any prior information. Please, if you don't join the class and you don't know what is happening, don't go to the platform and begin to throw away words. Now that's a very bad attitude of some of you. You don't come to class, you be in your home doing whatever you are doing, then at the end of the day somebody just comes out saying they say they are having this, why can you do this and that? Please, those things should not be tolerated on the platform. If you don't come to class and then there's a arrangement or there's a discussion, you don't know, call a friend who joined the class. So that the friend will inform you what happened. Don't sit in your, at the comfort of your home, begin to throw words anyhow.
Doc,
That is what
Doc,
that's the advice I'm
Doc.
giving you. Let's continue.
Hello, Doc. Hello, Doc.
Yes.
Doc.
Yes.
My issue is your link was communicated to the same platform that they are sharing this type of information there. Your link was even communicated there. But you look as if some people are not even aware, or some people intentionally make those fun of words or those fun of things because the link is there. So why don't you even click on the link and see what is happening there? But meanwhile, you forget the link and make all sort of assumptions.
That is the issue. Yes, it's important. That's the issue. So allow them. Nobody should answer anything of such. So let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. So please, the pOH is also negative log of the OH minus. So please take note of that. We were asking of the kW of water, and so it is 1.0 times 10 raised to the negative 14. So that one to the same thing, and then let me say something here. We are going to calculate either the pH or the pOH, but note this, that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH plus pOH will give you 14. Take note of this. pH plus, out of this, we'll be able to calculate some solutions to find their pH and the pOH. So take note of that. Okay, now let me give you this question. Please get ready for this question. Are you ready?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. What is the hydrogen ion concentration? What is the hydrogen ion concentration? What is the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution? Of a solution whose pOH is 11.5. What is the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution whose pOH is 11.5? Are you okay with the question?
Yes, Doc, we got it. Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me show you how this one will be calculated or will be done. You know, the pH of a solution, you have to know that pH plus pOH equals to 14. Take note of those things. pH plus pOH equals to 14. So if you look into the question, they've given you, you have been given pOH, and then you are asked to calculate for the hydrogen ion concentration. For the hydrogen ion concentration. So it's just a matter of writing this relation. pH plus pOH equals 14. pH plus pOH equals 14. And then the pH will be given the pOH, then it means the pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Are you getting it? Please, are you following what we are doing?
Yes, Doc.
My ladies, are you there?
Yes, Doc.
I don't want to go and leave you behind. So move with us all. We're saying that pH plus pOH equals to 14. And you were given the pOH. So you just substitute into the equation by saying that pH equals to 14 minus pOH. And the pOH is given where you know. So when you substitute into it, what do you get? What will you get?
Doc, 2.5.
2.5.
So the 2.5 is for the pH. And the question says we should calculate for the
Hydrogen ion.
Hydrogen ion. So that one, you go into your equation and say that pH equals to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. So the pH already you know, and then the you just find the antilog of the value, and that value gives you your H. So that is going to be 10 to the power that value. Then to the power, say it's 2 point what? 2.5. 2.5. So that's going to be 10 to the power negative 2.5. If you find the antilog, that's what you get. So your hydrogen ion concentration then becomes negative 10 to the power negative 2.5, And what do you get? Those who calculated, do that and let's see.
3.116 times 10 raised to the power negative 3.
Everybody do it.
3.16
10 to the power
negative 3 molar.
10 raised to the power negative 3.
Molar.
Molar, yeah.
The value is what? 3 point what?
16.
3.2 times 10 to the power negative 3. 3.2.
No, 3.2 decimal places.
So 3.16.
3.16
times 10 to the power negative 3
molar. Okay, to the power negative 3 molar. Right. That becomes your H plus. Knowing the pH, that's 10 to the power that value, negative that value, and that gives you that. So after taking you through this, let me give you another. So that means that the value you had or you should expect is be 3.16 times 10 to the power negative 3. Negative 3 molar. Take note of that. So knowing that, it means we can, you people can then calculate from this. Very, very important. You know it. So let's go. Are you ready?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Okay, let's go. Calculate the concentration. Calculate the concentration. This is the problem of the day. Under the pH, then we go to the next one. Calculate the concentration of H3O plus, that's hydrozonium ion. H3, calculate the concentration of H3O plus, that is hydrozonium ion, in 0.025 molar. In 0.025 molar aqueous solution of HCl, and hence the pH and the pOH of the solution. I take the question again. Calculate the concentration of hydrozonium ion in 0.025 molar aqueous solution of HCl. That's the A part, and hence the pH and pOH of the solution. Are you okay with the question?
Yes, Doc, we've got it.
Okay, so now take your time. I'm giving you 2 minutes on this. Everybody, all hands on deck, do something quickly, and let's see what will happen. After that, we move on. Take your time and then come out with wonderful solutions. Are you on it?
Yes, Doc. Some of us
Yes,
are
Doc.
done, but we are waiting.
Okay.
Yes, Doc. Yes, Doc.
Okay, good. Let's wait for them for a while. So now whoever is going to talk first, and I open it up. Whoever is going to talk, you are not only going to give us the steps involved. Good. And a minute to hand over or submit your feedback. A minute. Are you sleeping or you are working? I think
Doc,
Mr.
please, we
Frimpong
are
is done.
working.
No
We are even done.
I'm done.
Okay. And then John too is done. But your ladies are not done.
They are done. They are done.
They are done.
Gloria, you are not done.
Doc, please, I'm done. I've even raised up my hand. Yes, please, I've raised up my hand.
Okay, are you there?
Doc, please, I'm here.
Oh no, you are not there.
Doc, I'm here. I'm
here.
here.
Because if you are here, then let me hear from you. Okay, so now we can go on with the.
Okay, Doc. Okay, Doc, please. The question was we should calculate the
Who is
consent.
starting with it? Okay, Lizzie, let's hear you.
Doc, the question was we are supposed to calculate the concentration of hydrozonium ion in 0.025 mole aqueous solution of HCl, and hence the pH and the pOH of the solution. And since the acid given is a strong base, it means that it will dissociate in water. And so the HCl plus the water will give us hydrozonium ion plus chloride ion. And since
Excuse me,
the
you said the
concept,
acid given is a strong base. How can the
yes,
acid be a strong base?
I'm saying that the HCl is a strong acid.
Mm-hmm.
And so it will,
Strong acid, okay.
yes, so it will dissociate in water completely to give us the hydrozonium ion and then the chloride ion. And the
Okay, let's hear
concentration
you.
given is 0.025 mole. So which means that the HCl is also, the concentration of the HCl is equal to the concentration of the hydrozonium ion. So the pH will be negative log of the hydrozonium ion, which is 0.025, and then it will give us 1.602. So approximately it will be pH will be 1.60. And we know that pH plus pOH will should be equal to 14. So pH is 1.60 plus the pOH, which is equal to 14. And then the pOH will give us 12.40. Doc, please, I'm done.
Thank you, my dear. Yeah, Priscilla
Thank
was giving you a
Doc.
thumb up. Okay, that's a very
Thank
good
you.
thing. So who is coming to the next person to continue?
Hello, Doc.
Okay, yes.
Hello, Doc.
Let's hear you.
Should I start
Yeah,
from
Francis,
where?
are you there?
Should I start from where she reached?
Yes, please.
Okay, so the pH is equal to 12.4. So now we know the pH, and we know that pH is equal to negative log concentration of the hydrozonium ion. So so you write that this in the 12.4 at where the pH is, and then you equate it to negative log concentration of hydrozonium ion. Then you find antilog. So after finding the antilog, you get the pH, the concentration of the hydrozonium ion is equal to 3.981 times 10 with the power negative 13. Hello, Doc.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done. So that's it. That's the concentration of the hydrozonium ion. It's 3.981 times 10 with the power negative 13 molar. molar or molarity.
I'm getting confused.
3.981 times 10 raised to the power 18 molar.
Hello, Francis. Start from where he read.
Francis, it's
I'm
something
getting
like
You see,
Francis, start from where she read. The POH is
starting from a bear would be no.
Start from there again.
I'm say, okay, so she got the POH to
No.
be 12.4.
So he got what?
Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Hello, Doc.
Yes.
Hello, Doc. How do the POH is equal to 12.4.
Okay. That's
so after 5. So you so then the POH is equal to negative log the concentration of hydrozonium ion.
No,
but
why are you
going to again?
No, but we've already.
They didn't ask us to calculate the
Align.
concentration of OH minus or anything like that.
The question is, excuse me. The question was very simple. The question was, first of all, we calculate the concentration of H3, that is hydrozonium ion, in 0.205 molar aqueous solution of HCl. That's the first thing. That's the first question. And our lady answered that question, isn't it? So when she answered the question, that is, calculate the concentration of the H plus, she did it. How did you get it? That one she got it by dissociating the ACL. And according to her, the ACL is as strong as it, so complete dissociation. So at the end, you look out for the mole ratio, and the mole ratio will be 1:1.
1:1.
So it means that if the molarity of the acid is 0.205, it means that the concentration of the acid to be 0.25, and that is the first part. The second part, you are supposed to calculate the pH. So how do you calculate for the pH? You calculate for the pH by finding the negative log of whatever you have, 0.025, and that gives you the pH. So when you get the pH, already you get a pH, then you know the relation pH plus POH equals to 4. So for pH, then you take it away from 14. It's 4, 0. That's going to be the POH. Are you okay? People, are you okay?
Yes, Doc. Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Good. So let's continue. Now this I want who is going to even read for us? Who will read for this one for us?
Yeah, Doc, I will read. Hello, Doc.
Who will read this for us? Please.
Doc, I'll read. The one on the screen.
That's what I said read. We are listening.
Okay. The concentration of H plus ions in a bottle of table wine was 3.2 times 10 raised to the power -4 molar, right after the cork was removed. Only half of the wine was consumed. The other half, after it had been standing open to the air for a month, was found to have a hydrogen ion concentration equal to 1.0 times 10 raised to the power -3 molar. Determine the pH of the wine on these two occasions.
Okay, that is it. So please, this one, you have 5 minutes to answer this question. Please don't go to the slide I gave you. Don't go to the slide I gave you. Look at what we have here, and then look at what we did. You know what we have just discussed. it out. You have 5 minutes. Everybody, work it out. I want to see all of you, those who have not been speaking, Agatha, Asante spoke for once. You know, the class is mainly some few people who are doing the talking. So I want to see all of you. Francis, Frimpong, and then the others, Priscilla, and then Gloria, they are all talking. But the rest, I'm not hearing your voices. Moses Nyakon, this is the first I'm even seeing your name. I haven't heard your voice. As for Priscilla, you talked. Maxwell spoke for one. Yantechi, you spoke for once. And then Sir John to just once, and that is all. Seth has been speaking. Please, I want to hear your voices, all of you. So use this 1 minute to 5 minutes to answer this question, and then we move on to the next. Please start work.
Doc, I joined your first lesson. The first lecture I was part of it.
Come again.
I'm saying that I've been part of this. That's the first one and the second meeting.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking, please? Moses. Moses, are you the one talking?
Please, can you hear me?
Are you the one talking?
Hello?
That you joined the first class? We are hearing you.
Yeah.
Is that you joined
I'm
the
saying
first
that
class
since
or
the
what?
one I'm part of the class. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not saying that you are not part of. What I'm saying is that you spoke once or twice and they haven't heard your voice again. So this time I want to hear your voice. That's what I'm saying.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
So solve the question, please.
Please, are we solving the question on the slide on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, boss.
That's what I said. You should take 5 minutes to do it, and you allow with 3 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Yes. What's with me? I then. There is someone for a link. Be a mayo. Okay. I'm down, baby. Now link be a mayo. Please, your time is up. Please, your time is
Okay,
up.
Doc. Okay, Doc.
So
Yeah.
let's hear you people. Let's hear you people. Who is ready to start? Who is
Doc,
ready
I'm
to
ready.
start?
Doc, I'm ready.
Doc, I'm ready.
Junior is ready, and then Shadrach is ready.
John.
Okay, Junior, start.
John.
John,
Okay, Doc.
okay. Let Junior start, and then
Okay.
after that we'll see.
Okay, Doc. Please, the question requires that we find the pH of the wine when it was first opened. Then also the pH of the wine when it was left for about a month. Okay, so both concentrations have been given. So what I did was that I quoted. Hello, Doc. Please, hello.
Check your link. Your
Oh,
network.
okay.
Check it well.
You're not hearing me well, right?
Okay, now it's coming.
Oh, okay. So I quoted the equation for the pH, which is pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen. Oh,
It's baking. So
oh, okay.
it's baking.
Oh,
Doc,
Doc.
So
we can hear
either
him
But
are
I
you
can hear you
saying
well.
that where you were or
Doc, we can hear him.
But Doc, I can hear you well.
okay, let's hear you.
Okay, Doc. So I quoted the formula for finding the pH, which is pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of the hydrogen ions. So in the first instance, the concentration given was 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 4. So putting this into the equation, pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions, which will be pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration, which is 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 4. Will give you 3.49 thereabout. So I shortened it to be 3.49. Yeah, that's what I did. So
Okay.
for
Now,
yes, so, yeah.
okay. That's okay for the first one. So now a
Yeah,
female
yes,
should take
yes.
over.
Okay.
A female should take over.
Okay, Doc. Hello.
Yes, Gloria.
Steph. Doc, please, can you hear me? Okay, so the second concentration that was given. With the second concentration that was given was 1.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 molar. And so we find the pH, which is the antilog of the hydrogen ions. So you get negative log multiplying the 1.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 3. Then the answer would be 3. So the pH for the second concentration is 3.
Okay, thank you.
Doc,
You see that you people have,
Doc,
just the concept very well.
please,
Yes.
with this answer, the 3,
yes, please.
you said 2 decimal places. So will it be right rather to say 3.00 or the 3 is okay?
Oh, if it's 3, it's 3.00.
Yes, Doc.
3.00. So that is what I'm having here. The first one, 3.49, and the second one is 3.00. Okay, so that is good. Are you okay?
Yes, Doc. I'm okay.
Yes, Doc.
Right, thank you.
Yes,
So
Doc.
the access, decrease in pH is largely the result of the conversion of some of the alcohol to acetic acid reaction that takes place in the presence of the molecular oxygen. That is for the question that we do. So this is please take this question. Take this question.
The pH water quality.
It is not just a matter of, oh, I want to score, I will score everything. You need to understand the concept. I'm saying. Somebody may be asked, why are we still, working? It's not a matter of telling me the answer. You have to understand the concept we are developing. So that you go to the secondary school, that these are the things you are going to teach them. That is most important. Understand it, and you are done. So those who are not coming, tell them they are waiting for examination, memorize and come and write. You memorize and come and write. You see what to do. Okay. The pH of rainwater collected in the town in the upper west region of Ghana on a particular day was 4.82. Determine the H plus ion concentration of the rainwater. This one here. Quickly. 1 minute. Start. Lizzie, are you there?
Yes,
Lizzie?
Doc, please, I'm here. I'm here, Doc. Doc, please, I'm here.
Okay, you solve this one with us. You
Okay, Doc.
You will lead us to solve this. Take note of that.
So we are done.
Good.
No,
yes, let me give you 5 seconds. The 1 minute is not yet over. After that, we see. Are you done? Are you done, please?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Let's hear you.
Okay, Doc. Thank you. Doc, please, the question is asking us to determine the pH, the hydrogen ion of the concentration of the rainwater, whereby pH was given to be 4.82. And we know that pH is equal to negative log of the hydrogen ion. And since we don't know the hydrogen ion, we can find the antilog of the pH. So the hydrogen ion concentration of the hydrogen ion will be equal to 10 raised the antilog of negative pH, and the pH is 4.82. So the antilog of negative 10 raised upon negative 4.8, or the antilog of the pH will give us 1.5 times 10 raised to the power negative 5 molar.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Thank you, Doc.
And that's what we have here. Congratulations. You done well.
Thank you.
Okay. Then the last one will be on the POH. And that is what we have here. Okay. In the somebody should read this for us.
Doc.
Anybody can read.
Doc, in a sodium hydroxide solution, the concentration of OH ion is 2.9 times 10 raised to the power negative 4 molar. Determine the pH of the solution. Thank you.
Okay, 1 minute, please. All of you, 1 minute. Quickly, 1 minute. 1 minute, please.
No, the answer is 10.5.
Yes, the 1 minute is over. Are you done?
Hello, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc. Hello, Doc.
Are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
This time, say.
Doc, please, can you repeat what you
Hello?
said?
I said, say, John.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, we are
Okay.
listening. We are waiting for you.
The question is saying we should calculate the pH of the solution. So first,
we should go and come.
So first, what I did was that they have given us OH ions concentration. So I find the POH by factoring by putting in the value for the OH concentration into the equation, where POH is equal to negative log of OH. So pH is equal to the POH
Not just
is equal to negative log
OH,
of
it's OH concentration, please.
the POH is equal to OH concentration, sir. So we know the concentration for the OH, which is 2.9 times 10 to the power negative 4. So when you factor in, the POH will give us 3.5. But also we know that POH plus pH is equal to 14. So we factor in the value that we know, which is the POH. And when we do the substitution, we'll get pH is equal to 14 minus 3.5. And that will give us pH equals to 10.5. I think this is what I have.
Well, I didn't hear the last part, but they said it gives us what?
The pH is equal to 10.5.
Okay.
Dog.
You didn't get it.
Dog.
Did you get it?
I got 10.46 because I was working in two decimal places, as it said.
Yes, I also got 10.46.
That's all.
Did you get it?
Yes, dog. That's just as I did it in two decimal places. So I had the first one was 3.54. And when I subtracted it from the 14, because
That's the
sum is
pH. The
14.
pH is 3.54.
Good. Then the pH became 10.46. Thank you.
Okay. That's good. So I think you're on the right path. Everybody's hand is on deck. So that is what we expect from you. That everybody must do something. It's a very good thing. I'm glad you are doing it. Okay. I'm strong. Please, so we needed to at least get to a point. I hope 9 o'clock you will be offended. Will you?
Not
Hello,
at
my
all.
people.
No, dog.
But please, Doc, when it's 8 o'clock going, the network has been jittery. It's been on and off. Yeah, so we are not. I think it's breaking on your side.
And then we'll do some few discussions about getting extra day for us to finish out. Our strong acids are strong electrolytes, which for practical purposes are assumed to ionize completely in water. Most of the strong acids are inorganic. Please let me hear you. You were talking. So we said that strong acids ionize completely in solution. An example acid. Okay, and that is why we have to see something. Then I remember we talked and then the monoprotic and things. Somebody was asking the question and they was even bringing them in. I was so glad. So that's about that. And then when we talk of weak acids they are partially dissociate in solution. They don't completely dissociate, they partially dissociate in solution. An example is almost all the organic acids.
Are you people hearing, Doc? I can't hear anything.
We're not getting
I
it.
also can't hear anything. I think
It's even off.
it's gone off.
Yeah, it
You're
seems he
also
has
having
gone off.
So I think that the network has not been good whenever it is about 8 o'clock going. Always goes on and off. So normally it's not advisable to be having lectures on late like this.
Then it's good we break.
Please, colleagues, I want to find out. I had a challenge with my chemistry practicals. I don't know whether I'm the only one or some of us are also facing the same challenge. The results has not been released.
Yeah, I'm also facing the same thing. There are 2 practicals, so don't worry.
Challenge like.
Asante, you did.
Yeah.
Are you guys around?
Yes,
yes.
Are you guys
Yes, doc.
Yes, doc.
the
We are.
network went away? You know, somebody said we should run something, we should stop because the network. Maybe that person was praying that the network should go, so it went away. But at long last, we are back. Okay, let us discuss. You know, I was asking a question and the thing went off. It's not good. I don't know when it's getting to the tail end. It should have been the best, but now it's very poor. But let me take this opportunity to discuss a few things with you. You know, per what you knew you were supposed to have. Repon.
Doc.
Your hand is up. Do you have a question? Do you have a question?
Oh, no. No, though, it's an old hand. Let me
Then
remove
put your
it.
hand down. Remove it and put it in your pocket. Okay, thank you. Right. Now, per what you're supposed to do, today should have been the last meeting. You know that. Is it next week or today?
Yeah, it's supposed to be next week.
Next week.
Next week should have been the.
Yes.
Next week is for practical. So.
Next
Yes.
week.
So, so the unfortunate thing is that it's not your fault. It's as a result of the one who was to come. That person could help you. I don't know your schedule for God willing Sunday. Saturday. You have a class on Saturday, God willing.
Yes, doc.
Yes, doc. Saturday will be for practicals.
Is it a face?
Yeah. Is it this coming
face to
Saturday?
face or online?
This
is it face to face or online?
Face to face.
It's
For practical, it's face to face.
Please let me hear one person's voice, please. Okay, Seth, let me hear your voice.
Yeah, please, Doc. Please, Doc. For the practicals, it has always been face to face.
Okay, and where will you do it?
Please, we are doing it this Saturday and Sunday also.
I'm talking about the location.
The location, we'll go to our various centers. Right now, they've not given us the schedule yet as to where to go.
Okay.
But I'm at
And
the West Coast Center.
What
So,
time? Okay.
yeah, I'm at the
West Coast Center.
Yes, so definitely we'll come there.
Myself and Castro do it.
And Castro, yeah.
Two of us.
Okay.
Have you done it before there?
Please, Doc.
Have you been there before for the practicals?
Oh yeah, yes, please. Yes, please.
So that means that you know me personally.
Oh yes. Yeah.
So it is done in my lab. Okay. Right. But that part will be in the morning, isn't it? Morning and afternoon. And then what time do you finish?
Doc, please. Because it's we are given only one day. Normally, it takes the whole day. Normally, it takes from about 8 to about 3 or 4 before we close. Yeah.
Okay. And what of the Sunday?
Since we've been given 2 practicals, I believe that we are going to have Saturday and Sunday for the practicals, because we are supposed to do 2 practicals this block.
Okay, then let me ask this one. Friday, God willing, what is your schedule? The chemistry group, what is your schedule?
Yeah, please. For the Fridays, I think we are free. Yeah, we will be having we will be having lectures with Dr. Ado on Wednesday and Thursday. So Friday will be free.
Friday you'll be free. Okay.
Yes, please.
Hello, Doc.
Yes, Max.
Please, some of us will be traveling because some of us come from far before we get to where we do our practicals. So some of us will be traveling to our practical centers. So maybe during that time, evening time, we've not been able to, maybe we'll be on our way to our various centers. So I don't know whether...
You don't know whether what?
I don't know whether some of my colleagues will also be facing the same challenge. For that one, I can't tell. But me per se, I'll be traveling from Takwa to Cape Coast. So maybe it will be after school. So maybe during evening time, I'll be still on my way to Cape Coast, of which maybe the networking will be so bad. So I don't know whether most of the people will also be traveling there. That one I can't tell.
Yeah, I think I'm also one of the people that will be traveling from Wat to Tamale, mostly.
From Wat to Tamale?
Yes, please.
Okay. The issue is this. We have a lot to do. We haven't finished. We've just gotten to, let's say, some let me read anything. So I'm planning can have extra time for you. They called me this afternoon if I can have extra time for you so that at least I make amend those days. What you are going to do in the various secondary school when you are posted.
So Doc. Hello, Doc.
A lot of things doing, but I wanted to sacrifice some of them so that I can meet you and then we'll discuss this. I don't know. what we are saying, I don't know how feasible that one will be for you. What we are saying, I don't know how feasible that one will be.
Doc,
If I don't meet you, yes, please.
Oh, Doc, what about next week?
Yes, please. I'm listening.
Next week, Monday.
Next week, Monday.
Are you
No, listen.
Yeah.
Monday. I have a class curriculum. They have a class. I meet them on Monday. Curriculum studies in chemistry. I meet them on Monday. Formally, it was Wednesday, but there's a clash with the sandwich group that I handle, UCC sandwich. So there's a clash, and I have to adjust.
Doc, then
Wednesday,
Tuesday come Tuesday.
No.
Come
Did you hear
Tuesday
what I'm
as well,
saying?
Doc.
Did you hear what I'm saying? This coming Tuesday, are you talking about coming Tuesday? I should meet you coming Tuesday.
Yes,
Don't
Doc,
you
that's
have
what I
another
was
block?
suggesting.
Don't you have another block?
No, no, please.
No, please.
Is that the last
No.
block?
Yes.
Yes, Doc, this is the last one.
This is the last block.
Yes, Doc.
Okay, then God willing, Tuesday. Let's make it Tuesday. I thought maybe you have another block. I never knew this is the last block.
Last.
Okay, so then God willing, Tuesday we'll meet so that I'll be able to make up the time. Those who don't come, and that Tuesday too. Today should have been my quiz. Today should have been a quiz, but I couldn't have it because of we have so I have to sacrifice and then get you. So this this coming Tuesday, God willing, it means I have to do the quiz within that coming Tuesday, God willing, that I can have your marks. If I don't do that, I will not have the fun do that. If only you all agree, then I don't have a problem with that. You all agree to that?
Yeah. Oh, Doc, please, we do agree. Yeah.
Yes, Junior.
Yes,
Doc.
yes, Doc. Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc, we do. Yeah.
Yes, Doc.
Few people are talking. I agree to that.
Yes, please.
So please, Doc, can you give us the time?
Oh, it's a normal time, 4:30.
Okay.
Because if we bring it closer, you'll be in school or you'll be at work.
Yeah.
So closer won't help. So we have to maintain the 4:30. So that.
Okay.
But the whole thing is we may do the quiz first before the lecture. So those who don't join on time. Junior, the last time you said how many are you?
We are about 30, roughly.
30. But I have not received more than half before. Even today you are 14. You are
already.
Today you are 13 or 12. You are 12. I've never received a full class before. So tell them if they don't come, I won't manufacture any marks. I don't manufacture marks. Those who don't come, please, Frimpong and others, please inform your friends. If they don't come, they will suffer.
Okay, Doc.
So
they are
tell
all on a platform, so I think
I know they are there.
Yeah.
I know they are there, but they are not ready for the class. So tell them for me. So God willing, Tuesday we are meeting. And then when we meet, it will be.
Hello, Doc. Hello, Doc. Hello, Doc. Hello, Doc. Hello. Doc, please, quiz. How is
thought
it
you were
going to
talking.
be like?
That is what I was talking about. But it seems you wanted to take the question out of my mouth. The thing is, it to be a question. Then everybody will have access to the question. When you have access to the question, it is time bound. If it's 2 minutes, if it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, the whole thing automatically will close down. The window will close down. No, you won't have access to it again. So, and then when you choose, you cannot choose more than one. You choose one. If it's correct, it's correct. If it's wrong, it's wrong. You can't correct it again. That's how it's going to be. So when the time comes, you know. Asante, are you okay?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Very well noted.
Yeah. Yeah, Mazi, you wanted to say something.
Yeah, Doc. So please, meaning this one will be apart from this quiz, meaning we are not going to do any quiz again on this
Or
course.
if you want it, I'll give you more quizzes.
No, normally after lectures we have our quiz before our end of sem or before the exam. So I don't know whether this one may be different from the general quiz that we normally do.
I'm saying that I have a quiz with you. You
Okay.
write a quiz
Okay.
with me. So you write with me, and then let's leave the rest to whoever is responsible. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You know when you are writing. You know when you are writing your end of sem.
Yes.
When?
Doc.
So
end of sem is 22nd, 23rd, 27th, or 28th, 29th.
Okay, you listen to me. Listen to me. What I'm saying is that coming Saturday, like coming Tuesday, we are going to have another class to be able to cover a lot of the content. Please, it's not about examination. You need to understand the concept we are developing. The content is very, very important, the subject matter. So that when you go to the schools, you'll be able to teach and teach very effectively. So that the institution too also be, will be glorified. Because you go to the school and then they give you something to do, you can't do. Hey, were you not trained by UCC? And you'll be there. And that's what are you? Yes. Where are you going? Why are you going to UCC? Because when you go, the content is the best.
Hear me out. You were saying
Yes,
something, Doc. Look at it, my mind wasn't there because of a certain issue that I was even sending across on
okay, maybe that is. Let me finish with that.
You are going to organize a quiz for us.
So, Paul, if your mind wasn't there, let me finish with what I'm saying now. So, it's the content you need to, the subject matter you need to acquire it very well. The subject matter and then the subject knowledge, you have to understand it. So, when we meet, think about the content you are learning, the subject matter, before you think about examination. So, God will start Tuesday, like you said, the same time, we'll meet. You talk about you continue our lesson. Then that Tuesday, the first 10 minutes, we are going to have a quiz. So take note of that. So those who don't come, and if you come and the quiz is over, don't say, please, I wasn't there, I couldn't join early, so I couldn't take part in that one. Yes, your own problem. I can't redo it. It's one.
Okay, thank you, Doc.
Yeah, so I want to thank all of you for your time. And I'm very sorry for what happened. It wasn't my making. The light went off in the morning. So my machine, as well as my laptop and my phone, it all went off. So I couldn't. That's why I extended your class to this time. So I'm very sorry for doing that. And I'm hoping that the few that we have done, we'll be able to maintain or master it, so that when you get to the school, you'll be able to do it, so that your students will also be happy with you. Thank you so much, and have a good evening.
Thank you, Doc. Good evening to you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Doc.
Bye.